Cardboard balers. Types, uses, and applications. In this video, you will learn about the different types of cardboard balers and their use. You will learn more about topics such as: what is a cardboard baler? Types of cardboard balers. How cardboard balers work. Reasons for baling cardboard. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a cardboard baler? Chapter 2. What are the different types of cardboard balers? Vertical cardboard baler. Horizontal balers. Closed-end horizontal baler. Open-end horizontal baler. Two-ram horizontal baler. Portable cardboard balers. Top-loading cardboard baler. Cardboard baler tonnage. Below are typical categories of daily tonnage and the recommended baler configurations for each level. 2 tons or less. 1 to 4 tons. 3 to 200 tons. Over 200 tons. Chapter 3. How cardboard balers work. Using a vertical baler. Vertical baling process. Using a horizontal baler. Shearing with horizontal balers. Horizontal baler tying process. Frequently asked questions. What is a cardboard baler and how does it work? What are the main types of cardboard balers? How do I select the right cardboard baler for my facility? What are the key steps in operating a vertical cardboard baler? How do horizontal balers handle high-volume cardboard recycling? What size baler is suitable for small businesses or offices? Chapter 4. What are the key components of a cardboard baler? Conveyor belts and chains. Cardboard baler hoppers. Hydraulic systems. Chapter 5. Why should you consider owning a cardboard baler? Space saver. Labor costs. Overhead costs. Environmental awareness. Time saving. Chapter 6. What are the different types of cardboard? Corrugated fiberboard. Single-face fiberboard. Single-wall fiberboard. Double-wall cardboard. Triple-wall cardboard. Paperboard material. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right cardboard baler manufacturers for your needs.